It is raining here in Nashville. I gotta find the sidewalk so I can safely walk to my destination here. I don't know why the weather's so bad, but you have to deal with it. I borrowed this umbrella from the hotel, so I'm good to go now. I'm gonna go about 10 minutes that way to see what's around. I'm just exploring my neighborhood today on this rainy day. I want to see where I can eat. I got a few minutes into my walk now, so everything's pretty close here. You can get anywhere you want to go within 10 minutes, I'd say. But hopefully the weather improves. I'm gonna go check out this Subway here. There's a gas station, plenty of gas stations too, but that's not what I'm looking for, since I'm on foot.